Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a Rust programming language, and I'm planning to create a series of videos with Rust programming language. And recently, I got a chance to explore the Rust programming language and I really loved it. So one of the personal reason to love this particular program is one of my first programming language was C and C++, and the rest is more related to C and C++. Then I moved to Python and the AI field. Okay, so and it has a lot of good features of the Python also. So it's actually really good programming language to explore. So first we can understand the history, some background of Rust programming language. Then we can do the Hello World program. So that is a first program that we used to do for any programming language, right? Okay. So coming to the history, it is actually developed by Graydon Hoare. I believe I pronounced it correct. Otherwise, I'm sorry. And it is at Mozilla 2006. Okay, so it's actually started as a personal project. Then Mozilla sponsored 2010. Mozilla has sponsored this particular project, the Rust project. Then its first version was released on 2015. Then they have formed like a foundation, the Rust Foundation. On 2021 they have formed the Rust Foundation. Okay, so the brief history of the Rust programming language. Okay, and so few advantages like is memory safety, and it's give like a high performance. It's a compile programming language. We can say it's compiled to machine language. Then it will be then we used to run this machine, I mean this compiled code. Okay, so it provides a lot of robust tool for concurrence programming, and it's actually a growing ecosystem, and it's cross platform, right? So it is really good programming language. So we'll see how can we install that. So this is the few installation steps. So this is I took it from its official website. So let me try to install this. First let me copy this. Okay, so I'm copy this. So this is the first time I am executing this in Mac, so I'm not sure something will happen in between, but let's see. And this tutorial is based on the official tutorial. I will follow the official tutorial modules and examples, etc. So if you want to go through that the official tutorial, it's also fine. Like I will pin this the official tutorial in my comment box also. Okay, so let it complete. So I may pause for a while. Okay, now it's asking about three options. One is proceed with standard installation, then second one is custom installation, and third one is cancel installation. So for the default, just press enter. So let me press it. So it's actually downloading few components, cargo, Clippy, and documents is also some documents also, Rust doc is also downloading. Okay, so the installation is progress. Okay, so the installation is completed. So we can see that Rust is installed now. Okay, so maybe I can see its version. So I can check Rust compile version can be checked here using Rust C. Okay, so Rust C command is not found. Okay, so not Rust C hyphen version. Okay, so I need to install the compiler also. For that I can use this particular command xcode select. It requires the C compiler. Okay, so let me execute it. Okay, the command tool is already installed. Use software update system setting to install the update. Okay, okay, so let me do that. Okay, so I have closed the console terminal and I restarted again. So let me try it now. Should be working now. So we can see that we are getting the version. So it's working fine. Now what we can do, we can start writing the hello world. For that, let me go to my Visual Studio Code. Here I am going to create a folder. I can create a folder called hello world. Okay, and here I am going to create a function called main.rs. rs is the extension of this particular program, the Rust program. The extension is rs. For example, for Python it is py, right? So I need to add some packages to work autocomplete and all those things. For that I can just search for Rust. Okay, so this is the marketplace. I'm going to install this the first one. Okay, so this will let me do a trust. Okay, so the installation is completed. Okay, good. Now can go back here. Now what I'm going to do, I can write my first program. Okay, for that what we can use is that we can start with fn. Okay, fn is the instead of Python we are using the def. Here we can use the fn. This is the main, and I am using the curly bracket. Here I can type println hyphen, I mean exclamation, you can say hello world. Okay, so this is very simple. We have a function. This fn is the similar to def in our Python, and this is the main, and we are starting the parenthesis. This is similar to C++, right? And here we are using the println hello world. Now we can try to compile it. For that, what I can do, okay, this is my console. Let me minimize the console a little bit. Okay, here I can type rust c. First let me go to that folder hello world. Okay, so this is my main dot here. Here I can run the rust c main.rs. Okay, so once this is done, we will able to see a compiled file, that is main. Okay, so if it is Windows, we will able to see main.exe. Okay, so this is the compile file. To run the compile file, what we can do, I can type dot main. Okay, so this is running, and we will able to see hello world. Okay, so this is very simple. This is as I said, this is close related to C and C++. Now this is very difficult to do, right? This kind of a project structure to keep very difficult, right? So for that they have provided a tool or a package or command that is called the cargo. Okay, so what I can do, I can create a project using cargo. For that, let me go to my console. Okay, here I can type cargo. We'll see the possible commands for the cargo. Here we can see build, check, clean, new. This is the new cargo package. So maybe I can start writing cargo new hello cargo. Okay, so I think it's already created. Let me check this. Okay, so here we can see hello cargo. Here they are providing a cargo.toml file. Here we can specify the versions. If I am using any dependencies, that is also can be specified here, similar to requirement.txt file, we can say. And here we have a gitignore file is there, and here we have a src file. So src file, we can see a main.rs file is here. We can see hello world. Okay, so this is giving some kind of a template for us. The cargo is giving some template for us. Now let me build that. Cargo build can be done. Now let me go to hello cargo. Then I can do cargo build, right? So the building is completed. So let me explore it. We can see a target folder, and we can see a debug folder, and we can see a what we call a hello cargo package, hello cargo executables available here. Okay, so if you are from .NET background little bit, or you will able to relate it very easily. Okay, so once this is done, what we can do, I can do cargo run to run the program. So here we can see hello world. Okay, so this is how we create a project and we execute it using the cargo. Okay, so there is one more command I want to show, that is the cargo check. Okay, so this cargo check actually helps us to create or check the program without creating the compiled code. Okay, so this is a little bit fast. For example, if I do like any mistake here, and I'm doing a program and I don't want to create a executable, okay, then I can just try cargo check. Okay, so this will check and it will give the proper error for us. Okay, so let me correct this and execute it. Okay, so that's it about in this video. So here we discussed about how to install the Rust and how to do a hello world and how to use the cargo package. So this is very easy to use, and so industry says this is going to very, the Rust is going to be very big hit in coming years. So let's see. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.